8:52, 73 degrees. You are looking live at SkyTrack 11 BGS UCAM, and you are watching Your Morning Saturday. And it's a holiday weekend, July 4th weekend, so it's all about fireworks this weekend. You'll see them lighting up the night sky. But do we know how they work? We are putting on our glasses because we're going to talk about what makes fireworks flash. Our friend Carl Nelson from Imagination Station is here to explain the science behind fireworks, and there are two components.
And the colors, right. I mean, we're going to talk about colors and a little bit of sound. So what I brought with me is a big beaker filled with methyl alcohol, which we're just going to light on fire here. Now, the nice thing about methyl alcohol is that it burns with a nearly invisible flame, so it won't affect how we're going to look at the colors.
Okay.
So fire manufacturers make colors by adding metal salts or different metals to the explosive. One of them would be potassium chloride, okay? Otherwise maybe known as salt substitute. So your job here is to yell out the colors. What sort of color do you see there?
I see orange. Now I see blue.
Kind of a bluish color, right? So potassium gives sort of a bluish color. Lithium chloride, on the other hand, which you might find in your cell phone battery, gives what?
It's a red pink. That's very nice.
I like to call it a hot pink. I don't know.
You can call it a hot pink. I'm going to call it a red pink, but that's okay.
Okay. Sodium chloride, regular old table salt, gives you a nice orange color.
Yes.
And
so
then
each one
of these are
very
added.
different. Okay.
And then you can get different colors in your fireworks. Now, if you've ever seen a road flare, strontium chloride is in there, and you get a really nice, deep red.
Yes.
So that's one of my favorites. But I think you were saying your favorite is green.
Yes, my favorite color is green.
Copper chloride. Copper chloride will give a really deep greenish blue.
Now, right? Isn't that the best color so far? Anyone? Audience? Yes? Come on, it's great.
But if you're not a favorite of any particular color, you can actually mix all these together and produce a multicolored firework. So that's what I've done here. I've mixed all of those together, and you almost get like a rainbow effect with the flames.
Yes.
Now, colors are certainly cool in fireworks. I mean, you need colors. I tend to like the sparkly effects that happen when you add in something like iron or magnesium. Right? So you can get some really nice, cool sparkles, and we've all seen those sorts of effects, right?
But this is all natural stuff that you're adding to the gas.
Yeah, just various metal salts or iron or magnesium. They all essentially burn with a different color, all because of their absorption spectra. Now, we've got a big flaming container here. We're going to put that out just by removing the oxygen.
Excellent.
Now, talking about colors is cool, but we definitely need to talk about sound and the big booms that you hear during fireworks. So for this, I'm going to have you put on your earmuffs right now.
I'm going to take the green ones.
All right, I knew that. I knew that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put mine on as well. And first thing we're going to do is have you get your hands wet in this soapy solution here. So just a big container of soapy water.
Just put them in.
Yeah, stick them right down there up to your wrists.
Okay.
You want to get everything nice and wet, because what we're going to do is take this balloon. You can take them out now.
Okay.
We're going to take this balloon and make some soapy bubbles inside this mixture. Now, the balloon is filled with hydrogen and oxygen gas.
Okay.
Hydrogen and oxygen gas in the ratio of H2O. Now, this is a very explosive mixture.
Should I be nervous at all here?
The pain will go away once it's all over, so don't worry. So this really has nothing to do with fireworks in the sense of this is not how you power fireworks. This would be how you'd power the space shuttle, for instance, with a liquid rocket fuel like this or a gaseous fuel. Now, what I'm going to have you do is try to scoop up as many of those bubbles as you can. Leave the water behind. All right, you need to be a little braver. Get in there and scoop some more of those out. You need a basketball-sized clump. All right, that's pretty good.
Okay.
That'll work for us. Now, go ahead and hold your hands flat. And what I want you to do is take one little step towards me. We're going to add a little energy to these bubbles with a match here. And we're going to see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1. How your hands feel?
I can't hear anymore, but it's good. My hands
How do your hands
fine.
feel?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow,
go ahead and show. I mean, the soapy water there helps protect your hands, okay? Because that was like a gunshot going off. Did you feel it in your chest?
Yeah, I did.
That mixture of hydrogen
aggressive.
and oxygen gas, when they recombine, it forms a little bit of water, but releases a tremendous amount of energy. And that's how I like to think about doing some of those sound effects for fireworks inside a closed studio here.
But again, it's pretty simple just with natural stuff.
It's really basic chemistry, right? It's just adding those hydrogen and oxygen atoms together. They release some energy. And in fact, there are some prototype cars that use this same reaction to drive the pistons inside, because the only byproduct from this is water. You could literally drink the water from the tailpipe. Completely clean reaction.
Completely safe. Am I allowed to wash my hands now?
You can dry your hands off. You can dry them off.
Okay.
All right.
Now, Your favorite color for fireworks, just going back to the colors, what is yours?
I like the little sparklies with the iron and the magnesium, just because that adds a little bit of a different sort of effect there. But if you do come down to Imagination Station today, you can do your own rockets inside. We're doing Alka-Seltzer rockets. We're doing Stomp rockets. We got balloon rockets. We're doing everything with rockets that you can do safely inside. None of the explosion things like this, but
so we got to have all the fun. But
we got to have
that's
the fun.
a different kind of fun.
Yeah, but it's still fun though.
Yeah, oh, absolutely.
So definitely come down today. Today is Saturday, so Lucas County residents 12 and under get in for free, and it's a lot of fun. Come down and check it out.
Carl, thanks
Thank
as
you.
always.
Sure.
Appreciate it.
Sure.
And thanks for keeping me safe during this experiment. And Imagination Station, as you said, has lots planned for the 4th of July weekend. The downtown Toledo Science Center opened today, and it's also open on Monday.